Hey everyone, how's it going? So today, baling hay. It's a really nice day out. We're on this alfalfa field. There's Sean and his machine. He's probably smiling for the camera now. This hay has not had any rain on it whatsoever. It's actually over dry. Yeah. Got this whole corner knocked down. We have another one waiting, and we're cutting one today with the mower. As you'll see on a previous vid this morning, I would have had two machines going, but one was broke down, hydraulic hoses, and I'm almost ready to get a bale. I'm baling with the 535, and she's a little bumpy. Not bad. There we go. This is our older baler. You can tell it has the old analog gauges. Pretty straightforward. Just keep them up like that. If you have to go side to side, whatever. So we're tying now, and I'm only tying on one twine. So turn that off. See what the problem is here. And that always happens. I'll just reset it. And this one you don't have the computer, so you have to go outside and pull by hand. Sean's got the newer one with computer. There she goes, both are spinning now. Those little spinners are supposed to be white, but got a little bit of oil on them. So yeah, we got quite a few rolls. Way more than last year. I was watching One Lonely Farmer's channel this morning before I headed out. And he's got that chrome baler, the square one. And that would be pretty cool, because you don't ever have to stop. You always have to stop with these, hold tight, open it up, put the gate up, put the gate back down, and then keep going. Meanwhile, he's made 2 more bales by the time I made my one. This hay is not overly heavy, but it's fair. 7.6 miles an hour. I usually go about 8.5 here when I'm filming. So, oh yeah, I really like that chrome baler. It's pretty expensive. Like, it's a round baler, brand new, is $50,000, which is not really that bad. My mom, I think. Coffee time? I don't know. Yeah, the chrome baler, it's actually it's a pretty good machine. A lot better than the New Holland. There was nothing wrong with his New Holland, just that pickup was pretty bad. But, so yeah, I told him to come up and help us bale, but it was a little bit of a trip for him. We're in northern Alberta, Canada. He's down in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, around that area. I've been to Wisconsin, so there's Mom. I think Wisconsin was pretty cool. That's where How Farmers Work is from. I remember watching Ryan's channel before it was How Farmers Work. I can't remember what it was called. It was a while ago. So, yeah, it's funny how things have, it's how we stumble upon each other's channel and stuff. One Money Farmers. I was looking up information on a TR96, and him and Tim were changing that big ass belt, drive belt on it. And how far we look, I can't remember how I stumbled on his channel. I don't remember, but I remember he didn't have too many videos at the time and too many followers, but now he exploded on the scene. So yeah, it's pretty cool to see how we're similar but different in the styles we farm and that. So yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna continue baling and hopefully everything goes well. I've been out doing a lot of repairs and just small stuff, hydraulic hoses, blown tire, electronics. Those are the worst. Hopefully everything stays right, and the weather looks to be really well, so hopefully we can get all this done. Yeah, there's the rake. Where is it? There. The 770 case with the rake. I think that's Dad. He's putting along pretty not overly fast, but he's getting her done. What more can you ask for? So yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you come back for more. Take it easy.